In this video, you will learn how to get more clicks on Google Ads. First, write a compelling ad copy. Use clear and benefit-driven headlines and descriptions. Make sure to include strong call to actions, such as shop now or get a free quote, or book today. Highlight what makes your offer unique. This could be free shipping, limited time discount, or anything else. Use high intent keywords. Target keywords that match your audience, what they're actually searching for. Focus on long tail keywords to capture more specific, ready to click and buy traffic. Optimize ad extensions. Use and add site links, callouts and structured snippets to take up more space and give users a more reason to click. Use location and call to extensions if applicable to your business. Improve your quality score. Make sure your ads are relevant to keywords and to your landing page content. Higher quality score can lead to better ad placements at a lower cost. Test multiple ad variations. Run A/B tests with different headlines, descriptions and CTA to see what gets the best result. Use responsive search ads to automatically test multiple combinations. Redefine your targeting. Use audience targeting to reach the right users based off interest, demographics or their online behaviour. Exclude irrelevant audiences to avoid wasting time and money. Monitor. Keep an eye on your click-through rates and pause low-performing ads. Regularly optimize to stay competitive and improve your performance over time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.